Good morning, Year 1. Hope you're well. I've got another maths lesson for you today based on sharing. So it's the second day in a row we're going to look at sharing. I was really impressed with what I saw yesterday, so we're going to try another method today. So first thing to remember when we look at sharing is that we're going to share things equally, which means that every person or every group is going to have the same amount. We're not going to give one person more than the other or one person less than the other. We're going to share things equally so that everyone has the same. So let's look at my problem for today. I have got some bananas and I would like to share them equally between Mrs. Smith, Mr. Richards, myself and Miss Coulson. Okay, so a similar sort of method to yesterday that we're going to use today, and we're going to look at our sentences first as well. So each person gets something bananas. Again, we don't know what the something is yet. We don't know how many bananas each person has got, so I can't fill that in yet. And then at the bottom it says something bananas shared equally between something is something. A bit of a mouthful. So I can count my bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 bananas. And I'm going to share them equally between Mrs. Smith, myself, and Miss Coulson. So that's 3. 1, 2, 3. So 9 bananas shared equally between 3 is, I don't know the answer yet. So, similar to yesterday, what we're going to do is we're going to put the bananas into the groups for each person. But today's method that we're going to use is we're going to cross them off as we go along and then draw not a banana in each group, but we're just going to do a little circle to represent the banana. So it's a bit quicker than trying to draw a banana each time. So remember, I need to do it one to each person at a time to make sure that it's equal. So the first banana, cross that. I'm going to draw a circle for Mrs. Smith. Second banana, draw a circle for Mr. Richards. Third banana for Miss Coulson. And then back to the start again. So for Mrs. Smith, Mr. Richards, Miss Coulson, and back to the start again. Mrs. Smith, Mrs. Richards, and Miss Coulson. So now to find out how many each person's got, I can count the dots. So Mrs. Smith's got 1, 2, 3. Mr. Richards got 1, 2, 3. And Miss Coulson has got 1, 2, 3. So it's all equal. Everyone's got the same. Each person gets 3 bananas. So 9 bananas shared equally between 3 is 3. Okay, so that's how to do it if we've got pictures. But I'm going to give you another problem now. So this one, I've got 10 bananas, but I can't cross them off because there's no pictures of bananas. I've got no bananas to actually move into the groups. So I'm going to have group for Mrs. Smith and Miss Coulson. So 10 bananas. I'm going to share them between 2 people, Mrs. Smith and Miss Coulson. So again, I can't fill in my first sentence because I don't know how many is going to be in each group yet, but I can say that 10 bananas shared equally between 2 is, and then hopefully I'll find out my answer. So a method to do this one is we're still going to represent the bananas by drawing circles, but this time we have to count up to 10 and then stop when we get to 10. It's important we don't go over 10 because I've got 10 bananas. I've not got 11 or 12 bananas. And it's important I don't stop before 10 because I've not got 8 or 9. So you need to concentrate on this. So I've got 10 bananas. I'm going to give Mrs. Smith. So 1 banana is gone. 2 bananas. 3 bananas. 4 bananas. You see I'm going one at a time to each person. 5 bananas. 6 bananas. 7 bananas. 8 bananas. 9 bananas, 10 bananas. So I've shared my 10 bananas one at a time to each person. So let's count how many is in each for how many bananas each person's got now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Mrs. Smith, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to Miss Coulson. So shared it equally because we both got the same amount, and each person gets 5 bananas. So that's another method to do it if there's not any pictures for you. So have a go at the sheet for today. Good luck with it. Don't forget to let us know on Twitter how you get on with it, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.